Hey everyone, got another order we're shipping out here tomorrow. Got a medium sized hook here, very similar to the Peterson gem, only mine's shinier and smoother, works the same. And a Ural style slim 15 thousandths, gets into those paracentric keyways really nicely. And today we're going to be testing it out on a Master Lock number 5. Sturdy, durable lock, hardened shackle, but we all know how master locks work. They're crap. Anyway, we're gonna open her up here. We'll use the Ural Slim on this one. See how it does. Back of the keyway. Fault set. Just like that. Well, I wouldn't be securing any sheds together with that one right there. But if you're interested in any of my custom picks, just drop me a line at onithius@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, guys.